There is a plethora of chances available to develop streams of passive income from the sale of digital products in the current digital age. You can harness your skills and knowledge to produce digital products that offer a continuous source of income, regardless of whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or an artistic individual. In this video, we will go over the top 5 ideas for digital product concepts that have the potential to bring in $300,000 or more annually in the form of passive income. The video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. Number 5. Online course. One of the digital goods that has the potential to bring in the most customers and the most revenue is an online course. It makes it possible for you to make money while you sleep, while also sharing your knowledge with people all over the world. Developing an online course is a labor and time-intensive endeavor that, if carried out effectively, can result in large financial rewards for the creator. Before beginning the process of producing an online course, you will first need to select a topic or field of the study that's both interest to you and one in which you have sufficient expertise. As soon as you have decided upon a topic, you may begin the process of developing the course's curriculum, start making video lectures, and add supplementary materials like worksheets, quizzes, and exams. You can generate interest in your training program by promoting it through the use of paid advertisements, affiliate marketing, and various social media platforms. You can also use several platforms from the social media. If you price your course at $497, sell 600 units per year, and execute both of those things, then you have a good chance of easily making $298,200 in passive revenue. Number 4. Software as a service. That is also called as SaaS. Software as a service, also known as SaaS, is a software delivery model that's based on subscriptions and gives organizations the ability to use cloud-based software on a pay-as-you-go basis. Products offered via software as a service can range from simple time management apps like Trello to complex enterprise softwares like Salesforce. To design a software as a service product, you must first recognize an issue that exists in the business world and then offer a remedy that solves that problem. It's vital to give exceptional customer support in order to be successful in the software as a service industry. It's also essential to deliver frequent upgrades and feature additions. Moreover, it's essential to have an interface that's easy to use. If you sell your software as a service product at $99 per user per month, attract 250 users in the first year, and then double those two elements, you will have a good chance of easily making $297,000 in passive revenue. Number 3. Ebook. An electronic book is a form of digital output that can be created by practically anyone with the ability to write and knowledge in a certain subject area. Ebooks are available for purchase from a wide variety of online shops, including Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Apple Books, amongst others. If you want to write an ebook, you need to choose a topic that you are informed about and interested in at the same time. After that, you might start writing the book, and if you want to make it more interesting for the people who are going to be reading it, you might include graphical elements like photos, graphs, and charts in it. You have several alternatives available to you for promoting your electronic book, including engaging in email marketing, social networking, and advertising on Amazon.com. If you sell 30,000 copies of your ebook in the first year, set the price of your ebook at $9.99, and achieve both of those things, you will have a good chance of easily making $299,700 in passive income. Number 2. Mobile app. Because mobile apps are becoming more and more popular, there has been a growth in the need for app creation that's both new and unique. If you want to build a mobile app, you need to think of a problem that other people have and then devise a solution that fixes that problem. Only then can you make an app. It's vital to establish an intuitive user experience in order to achieve success in the mobile app market. Moreover, it's essential to keep a consistent release schedule while also providing exceptional support for existing clients. If you sell your program for $0.99 and manage to obtain 500,000 downloads in the first year, you won't have any trouble bringing in $495,000 in passive revenue. In fact, it won't be very tough at all. Number 1. Membership site. A website is said to be a membership site if it only allows its paying members access to specific information or services and not to the general public. Membership sites can be organized in a variety of ways, including as online communities or as centers of online education. First things first, in order to start a membership website, you need to decide on a specific niche or subject matter that you are informed about and passionate about. After that, you will be able to begin developing exclusive content for your members, such as articles, videos, webinars, and courses, which will only be accessible to your subscribers and no one else outside of your membership group. Spreading the word about your membership website may be accomplished in a number of effective methods, including but not limited to making use of the social media, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. If you set the price of membership on your website at $97 a month, acquire 300 members in the first year, and then combine those two numbers together, you will easily be able to generate $349 in revenue. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.